How's it going, Geometry Cats? Today we're looking at surface area of pyramids and cones. Okay? So we're looking at the surface area of pyramids and cones, which is different than cylinders. Now, if we're looking at a pyramid, we still have lateral edges, like we had on the prisms. But now we have a vertex, which is the top of the pyramid. Okay? And we still have lateral faces. And now our lateral faces are going to be triangles, right? And now for these, we're going to have an altitude. That's the height that goes from vertex to ground, we're going to say. Assuming these are on the ground. Then we have a base and a base edge. Okay? There's one other thing that's different. These ones we also have something called a slant height. That would be as if I took that triangle off and looked at its height. That'd be known as L. That's a slant height. Okay? It's different than the height. Slant height is on the face, height, vertex to ground. Okay? Look at this. That's an exploded pyramid. We can see our lateral faces or triangles. We can see our slant heights. So our area of this triangle is going to be 1/2 the side of our base times our slant height. It's good to keep in mind because it helps us derive this formula. The lateral area is 1/2 your perimeter of base times your slant height, or L slant height. Okay? So that's your lateral area. You're just finding the area of all those triangles. Okay? So your surface area is your lateral area plus just one base. There's only one. Okay? That's all there is to it. Let's try one out. Okay. We have a hexagonal pyramid, right? We want to find SA. Okay. First, we gotta find LA. It's in California. How many times can Mr. Wilder make a joke? Anyway. That's 1/2 perimeter times our slant height. Okay. Well, our perimeter equals each side 6, right? And we have 6 sides. So our perimeter is 6 times 6, which is 36. Okay. Our slant height is 9. Okay. So my LA is 1/2 36 times 9, which is whatever 18 times 9 is. 162 inches squared. Okay. Now we find our surface area. Okay, surface area is my lateral area, which is 162, plus the area of my base, right? What's the area of my base? Well, my B is 1/2. I was like, ask these. Not going to. My perimeter times my apothem. That's 1/2 my perimeter was 36. My apothem is 3√3. So I get whatever 18 times 3 is. 54√3. Okay? Which that's my exact answer. My approximate answer would be 256. Okay? So that's that beast. In the books. What's the lateral area of this hexagonal pyramid? Okay, that sounds a little bit different, guys. So I'm looking for 1/2 perimeter times my slant height. Well, my perimeter is 36 times 6. 256, right? Let me check it. 216. Because I had to go with my gut. Okay. Now my slant height is not given to me. So I have to find my slant height. My slant height squared. Look, I can make a right triangle here. You guys see it? Where my slant height's my hypotenuse. So my slant height squared equals my leg squared plus leg squared. Okay? So L squared equals 2736 square root both sides. And L is approximately 52. Okay. That's 52. Yeah, my way. So now 1/2 perimeter times L is 1/2. My perimeter is 216. And my slant height was 52. So that is 5616 feet squared. Okay? Okay. Quick time. Let's look at cones. Ice cream cones? Oh, anyway. Ice cream cones, we have all the same stuff, just our base is a circle. So we modify our formula a little bit. Our lateral area is 1/2 2 pi r times L, aka pi r L. It's half your circumference times your slant height. So your surface area is your lateral area plus your base. But your base in this part is going to be pi r squared. Because it's a circle. Okay. Suppose you have a cone. The radius is 16. Slant height's 28. Find the surface area. Okay. First we find LA. LA is pi radius slant height. That's it. 16 times 28. 448 pi. So our surface area is our lateral area plus our area of our base. So pi radius squared. Okay. 16 squared. I should know this stuff. Oh, this one's 256. Add them together. 256 plus 448, 704. So we have 704 pi's meters squared. That's it. I think we have one more slide. Big stretch. Game pace. Find the lateral area of a traffic cone with 10 inches, the raised 10 inches height of 28. Round to the nearest whole number. Traffic cone. It's orange. That's red. Dang it. Okay. Height's 28. Radius is 10. Okay. So we need to find lateral area. So we're using our pi r L. But we don't have L. Pythagorean theorem time. L equals L squared equals 10 squared plus 28 squared. It's a right triangle. 100 plus 884. Square root both sides. 29.7. Okay. It is time. I plug in my pi for pi, my 10 for my radius, and my 29.7 for my slant height. Plug it all in. And you need 934 inches squared. Okay. That's it. Answer B for a prize. Okay, I'm going to talk about in class. Enjoy.